What's up, guys? Good morning. Morning, Abu, Martin, Phoenix, Ethan, Dave. Welcome. So we only got 7 people in here right now, so nice and light. Nice and light. Big day today. Big day. What's up, Savvy? Welcome. Hope you're doing okay, brother. Haven't talked to you in a little while. I'm not sure what to expect this morning. It could be a slow morning, just with the news heavy on the back end of the day today. We do have FOMC at 2 o'clock Eastern, and then obviously a lot of earnings come out at the closing bell. So my plan is just to look for small scalps. We do still have the gap fill on NQ. It looks like ES filled a portion of its gap, but the NQ's not quite there yet. So that'll be my look for the day. If we get back above this 660 and they're holding above 660, I'll be long. Conversely, if we drop below, I'll say 460 and are holding below 460, this move back down into 200 could be relatively quick. So that's my look for the day. Hopefully I can execute my plan and we'll come out of here on the positive side of things. So how are we feeling today, guys? I always think it's funny. Like, I see Albu and I know he lives in Germany. Martin, I know you live in Ireland. You guys say good morning, but it's like middle of the afternoon for you. Yeah, Martin, I mean, I'm anticipating an attempted gap fill at least. I mean, I like more upside. What happens when we fill that gap, I'm not sure. Yeah, Ethan, it's almost 5 for you. Where are you at, Ethan? Are you South Africa? Is that right? Cape Town? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I know everybody says good morning. It's like middle of the afternoon for most of you. But fall out of bed in the afternoon some days, Martin. I mean, we've all been there in our lives. I wish my body would allow me to sleep that late. It's been, I can't even remember the last time. Phoenix, it's 8 p.m. there. Holy. I can't remember the last time I slept past 7 o'clock in the morning. It's been so long. And normally I wake up at like, I don't know, 5:30 in the morning, somewhere around there. 5:30, 6 o'clock. I'm sure Dave knows what I'm talking about. Yep. Yeah, it's frustrating, isn't it, Dave? I remember the days when I was like a teenager and in my early 20s where I could sleep till 11 o'clock in the afternoon, no problem. I've never been one to sleep till like past that, though. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know what happens as you start getting older. It's just you're once the mind starts clicking, it's over. And then at like 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Dave. Oh, you've had a little, yeah, at like 2, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, Dave. Is when my eyes need to rest for about 15 minutes. And 15 minutes is all it takes. Anything longer than that is, I'll be tired for the rest of the day. But for about 15 minutes, I'll need to shut. Markets are open, guys. Yeah, Martin, I'm not quite sure what changes as you get a little bit older. I don't know why. Like, I would understand if I was extremely stressed out or something, like, you know, there was underlying personal circumstances that prevented me from sleeping. However, there's really not. Tired all the time. Yeah, I do notice when I'm more active that I'm not as tired. I'm definitely more alert. The brain functions a little bit better. So like exercise is big. But I've been very lazy as of late, as far as that comes. Need to get back on the grind. Oh, we are definitely dumping on the open here. You're eating Pringles and watching the stream. Yeah. Yeah, diet probably has a lot to do with it as well. I mean, if you're eating garbage, you know, your body's obviously going to be affected by that. Yeah, it feels like as traders we're sitting in chairs a lot of the day. And you know what's funny is I built this sit stand desk and I never have it in stand. Pringles garbage. No, Pringles are good. They're delicious. I'm not saying that at all. Unfortunately, generally the best tasting things or most satisfying things to eat are not good for you. Why Americans are the most obese country in the world. Yeah, Martin, I would really honestly want to see a sweep below 540 and then the reclaim with how heavy this was on the open. I've noticed recently when I try to anticipate the hold or the recovery, this is what happens. It likes to fade and sweep down here, and I'm not willing to give it 30 points right now. Not on the first trade of the day. Like maybe sweep these overnight lows and then reclaim. I'd be looking for something like the sweep down to just above 520. And then a reclaim back up to 560, come back down to 540 and hold above. That would be ideal for me. I mean, it looks like it swept those overnight lows. We're reclaiming. Yeah, Martin, they're 50Ks. Yeah, Fletcher, I don't blame you. I don't blame you for not trading FOMC days. You never know what to expect. Now, if we can hold 540 here, I'm all about the long, but it might be gone already. This could just eat up this whole candle. And it wouldn't shock me at all. But like I said, I'm not in any hurry to get into a trade. Yeah, Martin, it's one of those days. I mean, you have institutional positioning for those events going on in the morning, so price will generally snap to the level. You just never know when it's going to happen. You know, and then it'll chop in the level, it'll chop here for a period of time, and then out of nowhere, you'll have a 60-point candle. Still early though, guys. Like I said, I don't want to get caught in one of these early flushes through a low volume area. All right, here's those 20s. See how we react on the 20s. All right, that's a pretty good response. There's just still too much aggressive selling going on here for me to hop on it. Feels like, let's see what we got below on the DOM. There's a block down here at 500. Blocks to the north side as well, up here at like 675 and 700. There's definitely more interest to the north side. All right, we're getting the recovery here, so let's see if we can get back above 60. I will more than likely wait until we reclaim 560 for the long. Not doing it yet. Morning, Nims. Morning, Kev. Yeah, Kev, I agree. See, and there's that 60 point, 50 point, 60 point dump out of nowhere. At completely random time. So it's looking like this 460 is what, this is a pretty big level right here for buyers to maintain and hold above. Guys, let me know. What's the VIX doing right now? I haven't looked at it this morning. Is it up? Put it this way. Is it above 18? Yeah, Kev, I mean, this area right here is will be very telling. Not quite 17? Okay. Thanks, Fletcher. Appreciate you. Fletcher, we got to work something out here soon to get you back on the stream again. I know it's been a little while, and we haven't really talked about it, but... ATR is fairly normal. Okay. I mean, look at how this move looks on the heat map. Come on. Someone iceberging aggressively down to the downside. Yeah, I'll reach out to you soon here, Fletcher. We'll try it. We'll shoot for next week sometime. Give you a little bit of time. Yeah, ASML beat on earnings, didn't they? Good. That's a good look for the semiconductors. We must have a really low volume area here from like 550 down to we'll say 520. I mean, the slides through this whole area have been relatively quick. You're in the holding cell, Nims? Oh, you are in the holding cell. Give me a second. Nims, you there? Hey, give me a second. I have to change a bunch of settings. All right, you should be good. Go ahead and talk. No, I have not. I have been. Oh wait, you aren't good. I don't know why this takes so long to get you up and going every time you come on, but give it a few minutes.
Preset.
Like I have I left the audio source on, and it's showing that it's picking up the right source, but for some reason OBS takes a minute for it to register. So like I can hear you, the chat cannot hear you.
Right.
So
yeah,
it
I'm long 940 44k 948 on the YM.
You can hear him? Okay. For some reason it's not picking up on my OBS. You guys can hear him?
You can hear me? I'm sorry about that, guys. Yep, they can all hear me.
Well, that's strange.
Well, at least it works.
Oh wait, you are getting picked up now.
Ah.
Okay. Well, I mean, we'll just. Mr. Fox says he can hear you. Unfortunately.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I haven't taken a trade, Nims.
All right. Well, I'm in one, and as usual, I am bored. I mean, it's a bit less boring than usual, but
the YM. I haven't looked.
I'm long 948, 44k 948.
44k 948. Yeah, you're in a good trade.
Yeah.
What's your target?
One just above 140.
Okay. Yep. About right.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I've got a level starting at like 160.
Mine's just below that, like 120. Let's see, what is this? 125 to 160.
Okay. Yeah, so I think I should get it. Just a boring waiting game.
Yep. You might be waiting all day.
I wanted to have more size on because I added one and then I had another ad at like 44k 900 just lined up, and I went off to the gym to go and do some things and it never hit the second target. Just got the first one and went up.
Yeah, I mean the YM's just like that sometimes. You're gonna have days like that.
Yeah.
You know, you could always come back to the NQ.
Why? Why would I do that?
I mean, to avoid your boredom.
I mean, I see just pain and suffering in the Discord of people trading the NQ. You want me to come back to that?
I don't know. I don't know. I've had a good stretch of green days. I had one small red day the other day, but
that is you, a minority. I'm sure there's other people in the chat
that have just gotten pranked
guys,
trading the NQ.
I've seen a few names which I know have been wrecked recently. I'll tell them all, come join me on the YM. We can yawn and trade together.
Good morning, Mr. Fox. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I like it. The NQ's fun. It's fun. I would never trade it on my personal account. However,
listen to Savvy. It's not about having fun. It's about making money.
Yeah, you're strictly trading your personal though these days, right? Like you're not trading with any props right now.
I can't. I mean, imagine me slapping on like an order like already filled, and then another order, and then pissing off to the gym on the NQ. My account would be gone.
Fletcher says, "Do you break up with a girl after she gives you hell for the 1000th time?"
Yes, I do. Yeah, and I don't go back like some people on here.
I mean, I am notorious for this is probably bad to say on a live stream, but I am notorious for just disappearing after about 2-3 weeks and ghosting.
Yeah, I've done that. You know what? I've done that for ages. I've had it happen to me once, and it felt terrible. And then I was like, "Oh my god, this is what I've been doing."
Well, in my mind, I'm thinking, why waste anybody's time? You know, like,
yeah,
just rip the Band-Aid.
You could just send a message and just rip the Band-Aid off. I've had you down as like a polite message guy of like just letting people know.
So that's the issue is like, because I'm extremely polite, I have a hard time saying the hard things when it's early. What? Right? Yeah. So it's better just to bye-bye now. Block a number.
Yeah, but I mean, if you're 2-3 weeks in, surely you're in like just short text message territory, and then block.
Yeah.
You don't like my mate went to go and like he'd been seeing some girl for I don't know like a month, and like he went to go and like meet up with her to like give her the news that like they didn't want to be with her anymore. And I was like, mate, just fucking send a message. Like, yeah. This after a month.
Oh, you cut out again, Nims.
Oh,
are you hardwired or are you Wi-Fi?
Wait. Let me sort it out. 1 sec.
Or Bluetooth. I didn't mean Wi-Fi. Mason is a juvenile. You can't say stuff like that. Is
that better?
Yeah, that's much better. Yeah, that's way better.
Okay.
You no longer sound like you're flying in a Cessna.
Mason is a juvenile. You can't say stuff like that. Yeah. He'll learn. He'll learn one day. One day he'll be old enough to date.
Mason is applying for internships currently.
Oh.
He
got one.
He applied. He applied for I think he said Rolls-Royce and Hewlett-Packard.
I'd rather the Rolls-Royce one.
I think he would too, from the sounds of it. I mean, he doesn't really want to be running numbers on how many printers a company sells.
Yeah, I mean, just selling cheap printers and then ripping everyone off for ink for the rest of their life.
Casanova stream, Mr.
How does business model work?
Yeah, I guess we have gone all Casanova talk here, apparently.
I mean, at least I'm in a trade, you know.
Yeah, I'm not.
Yeah.
I am not.
But it's getting. You want like 440, 450.
I need to see either 460 or holding back above 5. I'll say 560.
Well, there's nothing for you to do.
No, it's right in the dead zone, right in the, hey, if you enter in here, it's death to your account zone.
Okay. So you're gonna treat the NQ like you treat some of the girls that you've dated and just ignore it.
I mean, I'm bantering with you right now.
Yeah. Come on, YM.
Wait, so are we doing trading with the boys tomorrow?
I don't know. It's all confusing. We've been doing trading with
the boys. It was confusing to me as well. We're trying to really appease one person, and that would be Sir Phoenix.
Oh, I mean, you not appeased today, Phoenix?
He says he's traveling on Friday and doesn't want to miss it.
Okay. mean, there is the
Chat,
option.
chat.
to
Let me
back.
know. Would you rather see Trading with the Boys tomorrow, Thursday, or would you rather see Trading with the Boys Friday? Majority rules here, Phoenix.
Don't give them the option. They'll just say never again.
It's true. Facts. Both? Wow. Both.
All right, Ethan. I'm just gonna let you know, like, we don't get paid. No.
Nah, I mean, neither do I. All right. Thank you. Make the move that I want to see here. Both sounds good. Both? Oh, man. I can't ask that out of all the boys. I mean, if they want to, we can do both. That's up to them, though.
Yeah, depends what I've got. I mean, I'm gonna pretend like I'm super busy with my lifestyle.
I was about to say, says the retired photographer who trades YM.
Yeah.
Can Dave take? No, we're gonna lay off Dave for a little bit.
That's true.
So when we say things to Dave, we're just joking, and he knows that. However, the repeated thrashings go overboard sometimes, so we got to give it a pause every now and then. We don't want Dave thinking we hate him.
No, we love you, Dave.
Like we're just joking around. On that note, I think everybody should trade in their comfort zone. You know, what's working for Dave may not work for somebody else. So
No, but Dave's patience has got a lot better.
oh,
I was
100%.
saying it in Discord yesterday. Yeah.
Fletcher, you're the next target.
It's
Yeah,
a high baseline to come down from.
yeah, we always choose somebody. I mean, I stand in the line of fire quite a bit. Nims definitely stands in the line of fire quite a bit.
Yeah, every day. I mean, if on the Trading with the Boys, I join the voice chat. I've not been on all day, and
You know who we don't?
It's my fault.
We don't really ever pick on Palmetto. He's like
He's too nice.
I know. He's like. We don't really ever pick on Palmetto.
You know what? The NQ does it for us every time he's on stream.
It's true. He definitely has the live stream curse right now. 100%. But Palm takes a beating over in Goose's Discord.
Well, I've not really gone anywhere profit-wise on my trade.
No, Dave, I just think Palm has taken. He's the one who's aside from you, is really active on the NQ, but repeatedly takes the beating from the market itself really early on in the stream, and then he goes into his Eeyore depression mode.
Yes. Yeah. Like, I'll be back in a minute, guys.
Yeah. Yeah. No, love Palm. He works so incredibly hard too.
Are you saying I don't work hard?
No, definitely not.
Just because of the instrument I trade doesn't require as much effort or planning.
No, it just requires the moaning and growing of it chopping around your entry line for 2 hours before it makes a move.
Yeah, it's looking good now.
Yeah, the NQ's doing people really dirty right now if they're actively trying to trade this.
Mine slowly. I mean, I'm up like $600.
Oh, that's a good trade.
Yeah.
Just make sure you're out by, we'll say, well, probably in the next 2 hours.
It's a lot to ask for it to move another $400 up in 2 hours.
We don't pick on Palm, calls him Eeyore. Well, I mean, anyone turns into Eeyore if they take the beatings. And the thing is he has good trades on. Like, he barely gets wicked out of his trades. and then the thing runs for him, you know. I've been there. Shoot, it was, what was it, was it the last trading with the boys where I was just frustrated as could be? I think I did put out a short on it.
Yeah.
All right, we're starting to get interested in NQ.
Okay, should I look?
We're starting to get there.
Me, you're still not there.
Yeah, Fletcher.
I mean, I'm used to looking at the YM, and if I was looking at the YM right now, I'd say you're about 4 hours away, Wes.
4 hours away? No, I think we eventually get back, run IBH. There's still that huge gap to the top side that the ES has tried to fill, hasn't fully filled. The NQ still has a long ways to go. It's like, for a full fill, it's almost 400 points away.
The YM called, it's asking what's the gap?
Morning, Chris. Thanks, brother. I appreciate you. I keep looking over at the holding cell to see when Palm and Dave hop in there. I'm just waiting for it.
Yeah.
All right, this is definitely beginning to get interesting.
I mean, what do you need? Like another 50 points down?
I just need this to come back to 540 and hold above.
Oh. Oh wait, I'm miles away on the stream. I was like, it was like at the lows.
What? Yeah, why, how are you always at the beginning of the stream?
I don't know. I mean, I just saw Dave type that long at like 5:28, and it's like would already take me out, and I was like, Dave,
yeah, I'm not Dave. Like, I am not Dave.
No, when I was back on the stream, and I was like, oh, he's already 10 points down. I think it's long gone past that.
I was really hoping it would fall further than what it has, though. That's the problem I'm having.
Yeah, I mean, I was hoping for a little bit lower on the YM, but we never got it.
Dave has already taken 20 trades.
No, he's probably only on like for Dave currently. He's probably only on his like second or third trade.
Let's see. It's 10 o'clock. I'm gonna say 5. Because he trades pre-market.
3.
He trades pre-market as well.
I'm saying 3, including pre-market.
3 including. That was the 4th.
That was the 4th trade.
Okay. Okay.
No one's a winner.
Nope.
Right.
Okay, it definitely did not hold 540, so I'm hands off, unfortunately.
Old Dave would be on trade 20, not new Dave.
Oh, Porch, you're up 50 points? That's solid. All right.
All right, come on, YM. Let's take out IBH and just run it a little bit.
All right, I'm long.
Godspeed.
I know.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a stop out here, more than likely. So
I mean, you didn't follow your own plan.
No, I'm kind of front running it, but feel like
Come
I
on.
feel like
give
if we
him
can
a
push through 540, we might run pretty strong back up to 600. So
Give him the push through. Get him like 15 points in the green, then stall so he can be bored in a trade like me.
yeah.
All right, YM. Let's keep going.
All right, there we go.
All right, up 800 bucks on YM.
Break even is in. Probably get wicked.
It's a bit early break even, isn't it?
I just don't want one of those nasty slides
Yeah,
that we see.
Yeah, I just don't want you complaining about it. While it going and wish
I'm
you
fine
out
with it.
and,
I'm
like,
fine with it. I'm fine with it.
You say that now.
No, I'm fine with it.
Come on, YM. IBH isn't that much of a barrier.
Here comes my stop out. Or not. Or we're going to back above. Let's lock in.
Nah, just leave it. Let it breathe.
Now let's make sure we get something. Lock in $100. I just wanted to see more aggression to the upside if it was going to go, and it's not shooting through 60. Oh, maybe we will. Nope.
Well, look at YM go. Are you out?
No, not yet. About to be, though. It hit 560 and smacked. I'm out now. But that's okay.
Alright. Nice.
$150.
Nice. Alright, look at YM.
Dave, long 2 minis? What is going on here?
Come on, YM. Let's go.
Oh, yeah, you're right there.
Yeah, I'm pretty close.
Yeah, you are right
850
there.
up. Yeah. I hope it's my level rather than your 20 that it wants to stop at.
I mean, I think we go back up, but I just don't know. The YM's not going to slide like the NQ slides. It's so slow.
Yeah, I mean, I don't even have a, I don't have a break-even stop pin. I'm just gonna tell you that.
Do you even trade with stops on the YM, or do you just flatten when it's like enough is enough?
No, I mean, I have a target. Normally, you don't need to put a break-even stop in because like, it's not gonna come and take you out irrationally. It did stall at your 20 level. Maybe that was probably the place I should have taken it off.
Yeah, so
Big
you know,
slap off it.
you know how we call like exact levels. The reason why I put the levels at the certain amount of points that I do is because that's the region where I would expect going into the level if sellers are like if we're approaching from the bottom side of a level.
Yeah.
That's the region where I would expect sellers to step in.
Yeah.
And then the top side of the extreme would be the level that I would expect the trade is no longer valid kind of deal. If you're looking for a short, like on at yours, for instance. So like if this thing was to get above 160, right? I would expect more upside into like 270, 275.
Yeah.
And that's how I adjust my levels on a daily basis. So I take wherever current price is and then say, hey, all right, this is the region where buyers need to step up if they're going to defend a level, or hey, this is the region where sellers need to defend. The NQ has died, by the way.
I'm getting a pullback that I don't really like on the YM.
Oh, that was so close to your target too.
Yeah, it's really painful. I know. I know.
How much are you up on the trade
That
right now?
happens. 650.
Geez, you've been up like $600 for a long time.
Yeah, I was up 850, and then it's kind of why I wanted to get the second contract on, because of how the YM moves. You kind of need 2 contracts unless you really want to be stuck in your computer screen all day, and
Yeah.
I don't think that's beneficial for trading long term.
TikTok, Kev. What does the clock say right now?
This pullback is not nice.
No, it's the NQ selling. It's probably NVIDIA.
Yeah. And Microsoft.
Open down, AM up, mid AM down. All right, so
Mate,
we're in
you can't put TikTok on FOMC and then Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla earning day.
Yeah.
It doesn't really work like that.
Yeah, it just did not push that 560 level. Very good, Dave. Sorry. I knew that was a risk you took with the 540 long. But it gave you 20 points, so. Yeah, I don't know that they're going to do anything. That's the problem. I think FOMC might already be priced in. I think real traders are just anticipating earnings. I think you'll see more action at 4 o'clock than between 4 and 5 than you do during FOMC. I mean, there will be some volatility. Don't get me wrong. You know, the books will thin and stuff will move around. And then you know who will open his mouth.
Is that me?
No.
I mean, I do open my mouth and make some wild predictions.
Who always talks FOMC day? Nims. Who always has a speech?
Someone. I mean, I don't know. Powell?
Yes.
Oh, okay. I mean, I'm not as scared as Powell as I am of some of the reporters, like asking questions.
Yeah. I get that.
Oh. Hey, Wes, ask me how much I'm up.
I don't even need to.
How much am I up?
Let's see here. $650.
$600.
I mean, you're up 600. That's a good trade, Nims.
Yeah, I know, but your expectations when you have a good time, you're having a good time, your expectations are higher. Do you agree?
I mean, just hang in there. They're just trying to spook you out. I think it hits.
I mean, no one spooks anyone out on the YM.
I mean, it could spook out some prop traders.
I mean,
Wow, what a nasty fake out there. Guys, I might try the 540 again here.
you know when you get wild movement on, it's normally like margin calls of other traders which have just died from Father Time, like while in a trade.
Ooh, the Nas is starting to get a little frisky.
I mean, you haven't gone anywhere on the NAS either.
No.
I guess you've got these huge wicks that are like, what the heck?
Yeah. That's exactly what's happening.
Yeah, and you asked me why I don't trade it.
All right, I'm gonna try it.
Okay. Good luck. Godspeed.
Yeah, no, it's a tight. Whoa there, Naz. Let's take it easy. Stopped out. There goes all my profits.
Okay. Well, at least it's over quickly.
Yeah. It was quick.
Dave, what happened to your YM trading? Have you given up on it? You were saying how much you were enjoying it.
Yeah, I know. He hasn't been trading the YM, has he?
No, he gave a speech about how much he was enjoying it, having a good time, making money, and then
I know.
that's it. No more.
It lasted a day and a half.
That's like most people. Most people I like introduce it. Oh, the YM's good, and they. I don't know if they lie to me. Like just, oh yeah, man, it's such a good time. Thanks.
Well, let's see. If we're gonna chop, we're at the bottom end of the range right now, but looking like a short, fortunately. Maybe we finally go down here and trade this 460 area.
So when is FOMC?
2 o'clock my time. A little over 3.5.
Okay.
I would just say an hour before. So 2.5 hours. Make sure you're out of your trade.
Okay.
Yeah, David, the NQ is a bad drug. Really is.
Oh, I'm proud of you, Dave. The first step for recovery of an addiction is admitting that you have a problem.
I mean, we all have a problem. Yeah, Ethan. Yeah, it's bad. The NQ is bad. All right, well, I think we're
in this trade.
I think we're going down into that 460.
Okay. Do you want it if he goes down now?
I think I'm gonna try the short here.
Yeah, Kevin, thank you. You should have placed 10 minis when I told you. What's happened to the account? Is the account in trouble now because you didn't place those 10 minis for 4 points?
Oh goodness, we are choppy.
Wait, are you long again?
No, I'm short actually and getting wrecked right now.
God. Oh my god.
Getting
Just
absolutely wrecked.
Calm down, Wes.
Wrecked. I'm now down $400. Well, that was fun.
Yeah.
Holy.
You're going long and short in like a fucking little range.
It's pretty choppy. 560 to 500 is just pure chop right now.
It's almost like the NQ chart warned you that this would happen.
I mean, the YM's not much better, mister. I've been at $600 profit for 3 hours.
Actually, I would like to announce that I am at 655 now.
Oh, man. Oh, Dave. Of course you did. I mean, we're right back at 540. Just a giant fake out. Look at these wicks. These are 40-point wicks on the 5-minute candles. The problem is what is a wick? Candles on the YM are just the bodies of the candle.
I mean, we'll get a wick for Microsoft earnings. I think FOMC is going to be a snooze fest.
I think this is a snooze fest. What's happening right now?
Well, this is every pre-FOMC though, isn't it? The market does nothing leading up to it.
Later, Fletcher. Yeah, I mean, it usually just chops. or it slow grinds one way or the other. All right, we're going to chop.
Yeah.
Let's
You
try.
want an update? You want an update? 6:15. So what, are you short or long? I can't even know, you're in the middle of the range.
I'm long.
Okay.
I would like it to get back up to 560 and run. But it's just, there's just nothing going on here.
Where are you long? I think take 20, in the words of DJP, take your 20 points.
Take your 20, take your like 10.
No, you get up to 62 or whatever. I feel it will get up to there.
I don't know. I don't even know if we get there.
Too busy watching your trade. I'm not even monitoring my position.
There's just zero aggression to the top side. It is just full-fledged chop. Made a little bit back there, though.
Could have been in trouble for switching screens. Oh,
I know
700.
You have the luxury of course it wicked me out. Just one little flush down to take me out, and then we'll go.
Can I introduce you to the YM?
That's all you ever have to say anymore these days is, I'd like to introduce you to my friend the YM.
You get more value for money, you know.
You also
Like-
get a snooze fest.
Yeah. But if you're paying for a...
It's not
Alright.
doing anything different than the NAS is doing, right? It's chopping.
Okay, alright. We go to Topgolf and they say, hey, for 400 bucks, you can have 10 seconds or you can have 8 hours.
Do you have Topgolf in the UK?
No, I'm just giving you
Oh,
a thing.
okay.
Like,
Okay.
you take the 8-hour option, which is what you get with the YM.
Yeah, Ethan says you get no value for heart rate, though.
Are we going to take out IBH? Or set a new IBH? I guess it's still first hour.
Are we going below 500? I would like to see below 500. I'd like to see this 460 area get traded. I'll be honest with you.
Has anyone got any YM reads for me?
Your YM reads are you're slowly grinding higher.
Yeah, I don't know whether I should take it off at like 120.
I mean, if you're willing to be bored for a little bit, why? I think you can get higher. I think you can get one in the 150s. But I don't know when that's going to happen is the problem.
Yeah.
Banks want to buy below. Yeah. I agree. That's why I'm saying this area. That's why I want to see this get traded. Ideally, I'd like to see a little wick below and a reclaim for the long. Probably targeting the gap fill. I just don't know if we're going to get that move pre-FOMC and pre-earnings.
Contemplating killing this.
Yeah, I'd like to see. I mean, it's coming down. NQ is coming down, which probably means if the YM is coming down, that means Nvidia is probably.
It's stalling.
Stalling.
Because I think a lot of money's going into like stable stuff in the Dow from tech.
Yeah.
But then we've also got Microsoft and Nvidia in here. I'll give it one last go to push higher. It's not going to do it.
No,
turn this
NQ's
candle
about to
green.
run. About to run the lows. There it goes.
I'll kill it. $720.
We got a block here at like 472 roughly on the buy side on NQ. There's not really a whole lot lower here though. So yeah, I like this 460 area.
Alright, looks like a decent exit on the YM.
I mean, you're still holding above overnight highs. Like we're below overnight lows on the NAS. I really wish the NAS would just flush to this 460 level, but it's just not doing it. It's playing that game. Dave, why are you trading so much? Are you on an eval or a combine or something, Dave? Why you got two minis on NQ? What's going on here? No way.
He's not getting the same buzz anymore like drug addicts. He's got to up it to go and get the excitement.
Two minis? Oh, eval. Okay. All right.
My trade is in the Discord if anyone wants to see it.
All right. Are they really going to front run 460 here? Come on.
Kev, have you passed your eval that you needed the $800 on? Anyone take that silver? Who's trading? Okay, no, I've never looked at silver.
Martin's trading silver now? That's where he's gone to? Is the NQ beating you down that much?
I want to look into cattle just because it sounds fun. No idea if it is.
If Savvy's still here, he trades cattle. Look up a few lines. Silver setting up for a nice short. Okay. There's Savvy. Cows.
Are they good? Is it good trading cows?
I mean, do you have a cowboy hat? You definitely got to wear the cowboy hat if you're going to trade cattle.
Yes, we all wear cowboy hats from the UK.
Mm-hmm.
It's the origin of cowboy.
I still can't get over the skinny jeans picture that you put of those guys.
Oh, that's from quite a few years ago. We're talking like 10 years ago.
You're wearing your cowboy hat on the next trading with the boy. Well, that would be tomorrow, Dave, or Friday, one or the other.
Every day, apparently, according to chat. To add a swing trading market to your roster. Okay. Is it like a swing trading market which is like peaceful and chill that I don't have to wake up every like hour and night?
The longs are starting to step in here again.
I mean, well,
can't believe they held 480.
My exit on the YM.
Oh, Martin, you mean my ticker up here? Oh, I'm glad my ticker's coming in useful for some people.
Yeah, I've never looked at it.
Dave, you own Spurs? Oh my. Oh my. Oh, you're on a practice account? Okay. Yeah, I've never tried to trade like anything other than like the index futures, really.
Yeah, and you say that, and you just stick to one index.
No, I've traded the ES, I've traded the YM, but the majority, yes, I do trade the NAS. The NAS is just more entertainment value. Like if you're gonna stream, I think the NAS is where you need to be.
You ghost the ES and the YM after like 2 days.
Actually, the first trade I ever took on the YM was like a $2,000+ banger.
Well, my exit's still looking good on the YM.
All right.
Dave, you got to put your feet up on the desk if you're wearing your Spurs for the whole stream.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. They do need to be in camera view.
Yeah. Cowboy hat, feet on the
Yeah,
table.
yeah, yeah. Marlboro Red hanging out the mouth. Not lit, but Marlboro Red hanging out the mouth.
So like Spurs, they're like sharp things on your cowboy boots to like get
Yeah,
your...
yes. No,
I'm just asking.
they're to stab your horse, to get it to do what you want it to do.
Yeah, I was just gonna ask that. It doesn't sound very nice.
Well, no, it's not very nice. All right.
Dave, do Spurs help you in a dust storm? What are you doing? You can stop going in. Stop trading in the middle of this shitty range, Wes. Just stop doing it.
I'm not. We just got back above a high volume area. And I'm actually at the low end of what the range was prior. I did kind of want to see lower, but this is a pretty strong recovery.
I mean, what is everything doing? Let's have a look.
I mean, it's pre-FOMC.
No, I just want to see what stocks are doing. Nvidia 125, so it's down 3%. Microsoft down 1%. United Health down.
They'll all be flat by FOMC.
What's pushing the Dow then today? Caterpillar, I guess.
I mean, what earnings are on the YM today? None?
Microsoft.
Is it just big tech?
Well, Microsoft's on the YM.
So what, it's Microsoft, Meta, and Tesla today? I mean, Tesla should be all right.
Not with its sales. I feel Tesla might plummet. And ASML had like decent earnings, but like I think the AI sector wanted to see more demand, like better earnings from ASML. So Nvidia's taken a bit of a hit from that.
All right, I'm gonna try the long here.
Godspeed again.
Of course, immediately after my entry is smack 10 points.
Just chill.
just below. The only thing that scares me is that we didn't go down and like grab the 460 down there.
Yeah. I would have thought you would be waiting for the more extremes.
But it's slow enough.
Alright, come on, NQ. Give Wes a banger.
Nah, it probably won't. Probably gonna. It just keeps rejecting 520. So maybe they want to go down and grab the 460. There's still some orders resting down there just above 500. So it might come down and grab me. In fact, here it comes right now as we speak. I should just cut it before it takes me for a $400 loss here. Yep, here it comes. Yep. Yep.
No, I'm sorry, Wes.
It's okay. Okay, I knew I should wait for 460. I'm gonna kill it before it gets my full target there, or my full loss. Well, guys, I'm down $700 on the session, so that's probably gonna be my last trade for this, or at least on this account. Yeah, is I kind of want to see this get traded. Like, this is just not. Oh, of course, it recovers now.
Sorry, it's not funny.
It's just repeated. It's over and over and over again.
Would it have taken you out? Would it have taken you out?
Let's see here. Yes, to the tick.
Okay.
To the tick, it would have taken me out.
Oh, that's Phil. That's Phil.
Yeah.
I watched that Iman trading video on
Kryptonite, are we waiting for it to bottom out? I kind of want to see this 460 get traded. I was stupid today and got involved in the middle of all this. So I have to be patient at this point. I'm not going to take... I'm down $700 on the session already, so I can't really...
You know how to fix that?
How's that?
5 minis.
5 minis?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's not do that, Nim.
6.
Oh, you're learning to trade? Kryptonite?
Okay, yeah, just don't listen to me right now. That's not how you fix stuff.
Yeah. So, Kryptonite, this is where you don't want to get involved. You want to wait for levels and extremes of levels in order to get involved. And I didn't follow my own rules today and paid the price for it. So,
Dave, that is correct. Sizing up does pick losing streaks, because if you lose your account, you can't lose anymore.
What I mean, there's a guy learning how to trade in the chat, and here you guys are. Size up. Here's all. Jeez, don't listen to these guys, Kryptonite. Yeah, if you want to, yeah, buy lows, sell highs. I mean, it seems so simple to do, but it's not. If you're interested, we do have a free Discord that has a lot of good traders and a lot of good information on it. There is a link in the description below the video. Feel free to join. You can hear Nimkins talk about how bored he is in the YM.
I'm out my YM trade. Let me see where I'm at. Oh no!
What are you knowing about?
Yeah, because it's going. Look at it. It's going.
Yeah, cheers, Kryptonite. Yeah, we're in there pretty much all day talking through trade ideas, picking on each other.
Wait, is it ! Discord for it? Does that work?
Is that what the? Yeah, I'm not sure. I think Mason is testing for his testing for. They have like those assessments that you have to take before they decide if they want to interview you for an internship.
Oh, it worked. It worked. I put the invite link in the chat.
There you go. There you go.
Oh, I should have been patient. Where's oh.
You should have been patient. What? Let me look at the YM. Yeah.
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 I mean, I'm only like $100 more than my exit now, but it is gonna look like it's gonna run to full target.
Yeah, you probably could have got it. Sure. I mean, you have this wick up here at 160.
Yeah. I want it just below 160.
That looks
I think it was
like
at like 150. I think 150 was the full target, which was we're basically there.
still a good trade.
Oh well. Yeah. That's just $250 for waiting another 15 minutes, which is a bit annoying.
Oh, you traded better than me today.
I'm cheating. I'm using something a lot easier to trade.
The NQ's not hard if you're patient enough. I just wasn't patient enough. That's all there is to it.
No, it is. No, it's so much harder. There's so much more thinking and decision making to make, like, constantly. You have to be constantly like moving around your break even and like not letting it come back on you. And I just slap a trade on and I like leave the house and then come back a few hours later.
I mean, it sounds relaxing.
It is relaxing, yeah. That's full target. That would have been. So
yeah,
right idea.
Yeah. Let's see. Oh, Goose was in a trade. Says it was perfect. Oh, he top tick exited, it looks like. What is he trading?
What is that? Russell.
He's trading the Russell?
Oh.
This guy has like a constant cycle of trading indexes. He does have that new indicator that he's been working on though. So I wonder if he's been trying to practice on the Russell with that.
Looks like it's working pretty well with that exit.
Yeah, that's top tick.
Yeah. Goose is going to become the Chris of the Russell.
Chris is, I mean, it's wild, isn't it? Oh, here we go.
Yep.
Here comes 460.
Are you gonna take it?
No, I'm gonna wait to see what happens. I'm already down $700. I mean, I can't really. I don't really want to lose much more. No, because if it slides below 460 and like the move down could be relatively rapid.
Nvidia is ugly. It's 121. It's down almost 5.5%.
He shorted RTY, so he top tick entry is what's going on, DJ. Okay, so he's still in the trade then. Your next key level. Dave, we can just call them levels. They don't all have to be key levels. Oh, the 460 buy would have worked out, huh? Immediate 20 points.
It's almost like someone told you to take it.
I told myself to, well, not take it, but I wanted to wait.
Alright.
If all we got was the one test, then all we got was the one test. If I miss it, I miss it. That's all there is to it.
I guess we've got a couple more days left. Running total for the month, 11,716.
Oh, that's got to be your best month ever.
Yes, by miles. 2 losing days in it, 1 losing day of 323 and another losing day of 483. So 2 losing days out of 20.
Yeah, that's really good. That's
Yeah.
really good. And you only got 2 more days in the month too. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Great month, dude. GG's.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
I guess going to the YM paid big dividends for you, huh?
I think YM and personal. YM and personal because it's like.
Yeah, you're only
You're
waiting
not
for
const-
A
you're
plus setups.
And you're not constantly like scared because you have like wiggle room in an account.
Yeah. Yeah, you definitely have a lot more to deal with. You're not worried about $1,000 drawdown taking you out for the day.
No, not at all. And I mean, I could have made a lot more if I just had the balls to actually hold. Like, what did I have? The 44k entry. So what? It's like 1,000 points.
Yeah, I mean, should've just held through FOMC and earnings, brother.
I mean, I wouldn't have had to. I could be out now. I could be out like.
It's very true.
1100 points. What was I? I was long 3 minis down there. So what is that? 15, just over 15 grand.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That would have almost matched my my biggest trade ever.
Yeah, but your biggest trade ever happened in like an hour on the NQ.
I know. I know. And it was and it was stupid. Way over leveraged.
What were you? How many minis were you?
5. 5, and I kind of got it was dumb. It was dumb. Okay, the idea behind the trade was great. Right? Like I caught the low of the day. However,
Okay.
at that time I was on such a hot streak that I was like, screw it. Let's just try. Let's just try some size here. I'm seeing the market.
Which worked
Oh
out,
my
which
goodness, bro.
normally destroys people.
Oh yeah. And I think I maybe even with those 5 minis was $400 in drawdown at most.
Sounds like a Chris trade.
That guy.
Yeah.
I mean, he catches tops and bottoms of every major swing in the market.
I love when you see him sketched out. He's like, oh, I don't know about this trade, and then you look and he's like 2 points down on it.
Oh yeah, and that's the most he's ever in drawdown. It's crazy. No, he's the best trader I've ever seen. What's up, Jose? Yeah, he's the best trader I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Unbelievable. Yes, I did, Jose. Nimkins had me distracted. I blame Nims.
Well,
I don't blame
told you to take
I
it.
I
said
don't
to take the 460.
I don't
said to
blame
just
Dave
buy the
today.
460.
I blame Nims.
We can replay the stream where I said buy 460. you would be up and positive on the day. You knew you'd get that bounce off it.
Yeah, I've been talking about that 460 the whole stream and didn't take it, of course.
Normal size is 1 mini Dave. Sometimes like I'll play with position, like adding like.
Yeah, Jose, 2 days in a row is right.
Or minis.
2 days in a row is right. Yesterday I was calling the 200 buy. Yeah, it is what it is. My problem is I got involved where I shouldn't have up in here and got wrecked already. So I'm kind of, I mean, I'm not DLL'd or anything on this account, but we're not in an ideal spot right now. Let's put it that way.
Well, it did everything that you wanted it to do.
I know.
It cleaned out the 460 and then is bouncing up probably 100 points to 560.
Nims, December has my confidence shaken a little bit, all right? Like, I'm not trading like I was last year right now for whatever reason.
Yes, we can see from your surroundings that December was tough on you.
From my surroundings. Yeah. Well, Nims, I'm probably gonna call it there for today's stream. Guys, I'm down $700 on the session. Not a good trading session for me. However, Nims traded really well today on only one trade. So, GG's, Nims.
Thank you. It was boring, but it was profitable.
Yeah, Dave, there were still lots of mistakes made. December was hot, was rough. It was hard. The NAS has been really hard to trade lately because of how, you know, you get 60 point, 70 point smacks out of nowhere. I mean, even this morning, the slap came out of nowhere. You know, it was like 1041 and you had this massive 50 point smack randomly. But yeah, I'll or maybe it was 941, not 1041, 941. But yeah, we'll regroup, we'll recover. I'll try to dig my way out of this hole I'm in the rest of the day. I don't know how much we're going to get pre-FOMC at this point, how much movement we're going to get, but I'll try to scout my way out of it. 200 points here and there.
4 YOLOs: FOMC, Microsoft earnings, Tesla earnings, and then Meta earnings, and you'll be fine.
4 YOLOs. No, this is a My Fund of Futures account. You can't trade news on My Fund of Futures.
They're lying. I'm sure you'll be fine.
Nope, you definitely can't. You definitely can't. They will fail your account. All right. Well, thanks for joining me, Nims. Chat. Enjoy the rest of your day. Stay patient. And I will see you all. I don't even know if we're doing trading with the boys tomorrow yet or not. Stay tuned. We might be doing trading with the boys tomorrow and not on Friday, or both. I don't know what's going on. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.